Social engineering. Social engineering is the art of manipulating people so they give up confidential information. The types of information these criminals are seeking can vary, but when individuals are targeted, the criminals are usually trying to trick you into giving them your passwords, or bank information, or access your computer, to secretly install malicious software that will give them access to your passwords and bank information as well as giving them control over your computer. Criminals use social engineering tactics because it is usually easier to exploit your natural inclination to trust than it is to discover ways to hack your software. For example, it is much easier to fool someone into giving you their password than it is for you to try hacking their password. Security is all about knowing who and what to trust. It is important to know when and when not to take a person at their word and when the person you are communicating with is who they say they are. The same is true of online interactions and website usage. When do you trust that the website you are using is legitimate or is safe to provide your information? What does a social engineering attack look like? Some of social engineering attack are like to be 1. Email from a friend. 2. Email from another trusted source. 3. Baiting scenarios. 4. Creating distrust. Let's discuss each of them. Email from a friend. If a criminal manages to hack or socially engineer one person's email password, they have access to that person's contact list and because most people use one password everywhere, they probably have access to that person's social networking contacts as well. Taking advantage of your trust and curiosity, these messages will contain a link that you just have to check out, and because the link comes from a friend and you're curious, you'll trust the link and click and be infected with malware so the criminal can take over your machine and collect your contacts' info and deceive them just like you were deceived. Contain a download of pictures, music, movie, document, etc. that has malicious software embedded. If you download, which you are likely to do, since you think it is from your friend, you become infected. Now, the criminal has access to your machine, email account, social network accounts and contacts, and the attack spreads to everyone you know. And on and on. Email from another trusted source. Phishing attacks are a subset of social engineering strategy that imitate a trusted source and concoct a seemingly logical scenario for handing over login credentials or other sensitive personal data. Using a compelling story or pretext, these messages may 1. Urgently ask for your help. Your friend is stuck in country X, has been robbed, beaten, and is in the hospital. They need you to send money so they can get home, and they tell you how to send the money to the criminal. 2. Use phishing attempts with a legitimate seeming background. 3. Ask you to donate to their charitable fundraiser or some other cause. 4. Present a problem that requires you to verify your information by clicking on the displayed link and providing information in their form. 5. Notify you that you're a winner. 6. Pose as a boss or coworker. Like this, the hackers can steal your information. Baiting scenarios. These social engineering schemes know that if you dangle something people want, many people will take the bait. These schemes are often found on peer-to-peer sites offering a download of something like a hot new movie or music. But the schemes are also found on social networking sites, malicious websites you find through search results, and so on. Or, the scheme may show up as an amazingly great deal on classified sites, auction sites, etc. To allay your suspicion, you can see the seller has a good rating, all planned and crafted ahead of time. Creating distrust. Some social engineering is all about creating distrust or starting conflicts. These are often carried out by people you know and who are angry with you, but it is also done by nasty people just trying to wreak havoc. People who want to first create distrust in your mind about others so they can then step in as a hero and gain your trust, or by extortionists who want to manipulate information and then threaten you with disclosure. This form of social engineering often begins by gaining access to an email account or another communication account on an IM client, social network, chat, forum, etc. They accomplish this either by hacking, social engineering, or simply guessing really weak passwords. The malicious person may then alter sensitive or private communications, including images and audio, using basic editing techniques and forwards these to other people to create drama, distrust, embarrassment, etc. They may make it look like it was accidentally sent, or appear like they are letting you know what is really going on. Ways to protect yourself. 1. Delete any request for financial information or passwords. 2. Reject requests for help or offers of help. 3. Set your spam filters to high. 4. Secure your computing devices. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Stay safe.